Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing another drugstore makeup tutorial for you guys. So I love doing these. Today I'm going to be using a full face of Covergirl makeup products. So everything from foundation to eyeshadow and highlighter and stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited and can't wait to share all these products with you guys. A lot of them I think are very new, so they should be in the stores and stuff, so you guys will be able to check them out. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to start out with the foundation. So today I'm using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Foundation, and I don't know if this is still available because I feel like the Ready Set Gorgeous collection I haven't seen in a while. So this and one concealer I'm going to use, I'm not sure about, but everything else you'll be able to find. So I'm just going to apply this to my face and then blend it out with my beauty blender. You can put it on the back of your hand or just kind of put it on like me. And I don't know. It's fine for me, it works. I've never used a black beauty blender before, but my pink one that I had, it was time to change it. So I don't know. It's like the same, but I think the black beauty blenders you're supposed to use for just like foundation and like super heavy makeup. But I'm just gonna use it for everything because it doesn't matter. Now for concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend It's Lit Brightening Concealer Pen. I'm in the shade Light Pale, and it's just supposed to be a brightening concealer. So yeah. See how it is? You just like twist it. It's supposed to come through this felt like feathery tip. Okay, and so I'm just going to brush this on the bridge of my nose just a little bit, my chin, to blend this out again. That's pretty good coverage. I've never used this before. I had used the foundation before, but this is my first time trying this concealer, and it's really good coverage. I would definitely say it's medium to full coverage. It's like very thin, so it's not heavy on your face, and super easy to blend. It's very lightweight, and yeah, I really like it. It's not matte, so I'll definitely have to set it, but I honestly like when my makeup doesn't apply matte when I first apply it. I think that when it looks a little bit more dewy when I'm applying, I think that it helps make it a little easier to blend the makeup out, versus a matte formula for me is sometimes a little harder to blend. Definitely liking this concealer so far, and then I'm also just going to take whatever is left on my beauty blender and just add this to my lids. So now I'm going to do my brows. So I'm using a CoverGirl eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade Rich Brown. This is a go-to pencil for me. I use this all the time. And yeah, so I'm just going to fill in my brows with this. And then just to clean my brows up, I like to use the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. So this is the other concealer that I'm not sure if you'll find, but I just use this concealer to apply underneath my brow bone. And I use a concealer brush and just clean up my brows. I don't have a bronzer or setting powder from CoverGirl today, but I'm just going to use the same bronzer I always use. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know it's kind of my go-to. So it's just the Benefit Hoola bronzer. You can use any bronzer that you want to. And now I'm just going to use some setting powder, set everywhere we highlighted, and apply foundation that wasn't set by our bronzer at all. I want to get underneath the contour line, and I'm just dusting all of that off. So now I'm going to start the eyes. So I'm going to start off by just telling you guys a couple of the new products I'm going to be trying out today for the eyes. So I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Naked Queenship palette. This is obviously from their Queenship collection. They're all shimmery shades except for this one matte light brown shade. So the palette looks like, comes with a little sponge applicator. And then I also have this CoverGirl Exhibitionist liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade At First Blush, and it's just number 2 if you can't, I don't know if it doesn't say it, because on the actual bottle it doesn't say it, so I kept the box for the purpose of this video. It's kind of rose gold, so very excited for that. I love any product that is rose gold. I'm going to be doing some sort of a different look today. I think I want to go for try out some different colors, and I think that this palette will really allow me to do that. I'm going to be using the Queenship palette, and I'm going into that matte neutral shade, just applying this only to the crease and really blending that. You can kind of drag it out a little, like go with the shape of your crease. And I'm just going to reapply the same shade, especially to the outer half of the crease, to really deepen it up, because we're going to add another shade to the inner part of the crease. So don't worry about that too much. First I'm going to swatch this shade so that you guys can see it, but it's, wow, that's so creamy. Okay, I'm trying out this shade right here, and it's so creamy. It feels kind of like a cream eyeshadow. It's very velvety and soft, so I really love that. That's what it looks like on the back of my finger, and as you guys can see, it's so pigmented. Oof. So this is the shade. I really love this. The formula is amazing. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this very lightly, knowing now how pigmented it is, with my brush to the inner corner, or to the inner half of my crease. Just have like a subtle hint of this shade. And now I'm going to go in with my concealer, so you can use any concealer that you want. For eyeshadows though, I do recommend concealer in a little jar like this, but anything will work, honestly. Outline my crease all the way across. And as you can see, that is the shape of the crease that I'm creating. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just lightly going into this light neutral shade, tapping whatever is excess. I just want to set this concealer a little bit, but I don't really want the color to come up too much, so I want it to be very subtle. It's just to kind of act as a powder to set the concealer. So now I'm going to use that CoverGirl Exhibitionist liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm just going to do a quick swatch for you guys right next to the swatch from before. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, do you see how reflective this is? This is such a gorgeous liquid eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply this to the inner half of the lid. Try not to get it onto the matte crease. And I'm going to use that same brush from before and just drag the glitter eyeshadow before it completely dries, just to soften it and sort of not make it look so harsh. I want it to look very blended and become more pigmented towards the inner corner, so that we have a really pretty effect on the eye. So I am loving this liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is crazy pigmented, such a good formula. It dries fairly quickly, which is nice because like right now I don't want it to transfer to my crease, and I know that it won't. So it's super reflective, so in some lighting it looks more like, it doesn't look as intense, and then in other lighting it looks super intense. I really made sure that it touched the crease, that the glitter touched the crease right like from here to here, and then I sort of started to leave a little bit of that concealer line in between as the eye kind of goes further down. The next thing I'm going to be using is this CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Eye Pencil. So this is just a black eye pencil, and it's self-sharpening, and it has a smudger on the other end. I kind of already twisted it up to see how it works. So you just twist this up, and I'm going to smudge this on the outer corner here. Really just start with a little bit, because you can always go back and add more. So the smudger is angled and then flat on the other side. And I'm just going to smudge this. You want to smudge it in the direction of a wing. So take your time with this and really try to create the shape of the look that you want. So far it's super blendable. Just keep on adding. So I love this. I love the way that this look is coming together. I really love the way that that looks. Back in with my concealer on that concealer brush and just clean up a little bit of the line. I really love the technique of blending or like smudging your liner because it kind of takes away the pressure of wanting it to be so perfect. Pressed with the formula of that eyeliner, it blended and allowed me to smudge it very easily, and I really love the way that that turned out. And it would be such a great tool for a smoky eye or anything even just like this. I'm going to go back into this amazing palette. I'm just going to go in with a brush and I'm going to use this gorgeous blue shade. Actually, I'm going to swatch this one first too. Again, another super creamy formula. So pigmented. Oh my god. That is so crazy. Okay, I'm never freaking out. These products are so amazing. I get so obsessed with products that are this affordable and are that great of quality because that's just so cool that you can get such a great quality product for an affordable price. So that's why I do these videos for you guys, so that you guys don't have to think that you have to spend so much money to get an equally amazing product. I'm just going to use this blue eyeshadow and apply this to my lower lash line. I'm going to actually go back in with that liner and just quickly line my waterline using an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into this gold shade, which is so pretty. I'm going to swatch this one too because why not? This is so gold. Oh my goodness. There we go. So that's the gold right there. Apply that to the inner corner for a little pop of gold. And I mean, right now adding gold or like pink is super trendy. When you add it to your inner corners, it's like really in right now. So we're just adding gold to our inner corners. This shimmery shade, which I'm just adding that to my brow bone very slightly. Not too much. Still want it to be mainly matte. Then going in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, just softening it. I want to go into this black shimmer on an angled brush. Just going to focus that towards my lash line, right over top of where we smudged the black shadow, and then slightly drag it up, but not all the way. That's basically it for the shadow. So now I'm just going to apply my lashes. So now the last step to finish up this eye look, I'm going to use the Covergirl Exhibitionist Mascara. It's really nice because it's not clumping like at all. So definitely loving that. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but all of these shimmery eyeshadows, and there is no fallout at all. I'm going to just use a highlighter. This is the Covergirl True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow Highlighter, and it's in the shade Curl Crush. Oh my gosh, I'm like, are you ready? I think this is going to be a good one. Oh my god. Okay. So like, talk about highlight. That's crazy. I love this so much. Lips, I'm using the Covergirl Melting Pout Matte Lipstick in the shade Ballerina. It's this really pretty nude shade. So this is the finished look. Actually obsessed with this look. I highly recommend every product that you guys saw me use in today's video. I really do. So definitely go check them out if you guys do. As always, let me know down below in the comments. And I really love this look. I hope that you guys liked it too, and I hope that you know, me trying out all these products and kind of new techniques helps you guys out. I love this look. I think it is like the perfect summer glam look. You have like, you know, your pops of color and it's not too heavy on the lid that it looks super intense. The face makeup feels really light to me, especially I love that concealer. I'll definitely be using these products again. I definitely recommend all these products to you guys. I really love them and I love this makeup look so much. I'm so happy with it. And yeah, that's it for this full face using all Covergirl makeup products. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!